Yo, what's crappin'? Out doing some more beaver trapping here. Kind of have a love-hate relationship with this giant lodge here. I always catch beaver out of it every year. A beaver, usually. It's really built up this year. There she is. The Taj Mahal. Big feed pile here. Big old lodge with a tree. Why, you know what I don't get is why they don't cut that tree down. Any other beaver would cut that tree down. It's the first probably one I've ever seen that where they didn't cut the darn tree down that's growing out of it. And it's a green tree, so it's not some dead one. On my way here I found 3 bank dens along that shoreline, which I had never checked previously. I don't know why. One extremely shallow run coming out of the lodge right there. And there's another one coming out over here. Well, actually there's an old one coming out kind of over there. I might set it, I don't know. I think there's another one coming out there, but the ice is already getting too thick. Got a big rat hut there behind my sled, and I forgot. Well, I didn't forget, I just don't have any more rat traps to deploy. Maybe tomorrow I'll bring a few with. Anyway, we're gonna get to setting some traps. All right, got this run on the lodge here. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad because it is blowing like crazy out there right now. Oh, I'm like, what the heck happened to my stuff already? There. Oh. So, got a stake here. This run is like, there's no ice on this run, like whatsoever. Kind of, ooh, there we go. This is actually an old blocking off stick that's been there for like 127 years. Such a shallow run too. I mean, this is ridiculous. So, trying to pick this, there we go. I found this on the other side of the lodge. See how the bottom is all straightened? That's one of my beaver sticks from years ago. And it was nice of the beaver to save it for me. Because I'm back. And I'm bad. Ah! There we go. Just like so. That easy. Kick some snow over this. And I'll just wire it off to the top of this stick here, like that. Here we go. This one's gonna be an interesting one. There's just a bank den that runs up into there. I just came up here chopping with my chisel and found this run here. And yeah, going to set it. Okay. So this is just going to be a safety stick so it can go off my trap. There we go. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. That might not look like it hurt. Oh. Okay, let's see here. All right. These runs are super narrow. When they're super narrow, you do not need blocking off sticks, believe it or not. There we go. That's there. Swivel stick is in. Trap is anchored to a good stick. Throw a little snow on it. All right, that one's ready to rock. Got another banked in here. Can get my little foot in here and see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do we got here? A rock. It's a rock. Huh, okay. This one's a little different. This one's a little different. These beavers are actually going up at an angle under these rushes over here, okay? So, I'm actually gonna put my trap at an angle to catch them. See that? We're going to put her at an angle here, going up into this run. Okay. Swivel sticks in. That's what I like about these shallow runs. You got to worry about a whole bunch of blocking off sticks and whatnot. Tighten this baby up. We are ready for beaver. A little snow on there. One more set to go, boys and girls. One more bank in here, guys, and it's going up underneath this tree here. I try to cut my sticks down if I'm going to be anywhere near a road, which I am, but I'm not like on the road or anything. Ugh. There we go. There's that. There's a good safety stick. And then I got a swivel stick. Got all my bases covered today for once. Run's kind of, it's not exactly wide enough to get my trap in exactly where I want it to, so sometimes I'll take the heel of my foot and I'll literally gouge a chunk in the bottom for my stick to go into. There we go. Okay, there's that. Oops. That's ready for a beaver. And now just putting my swivel stick in. Boom. There we go, boys. Well, we're here to make our first check on this place. Got 3 bank dens set over there, 2 runs set on the lodge over here. I usually get 1 big beaver out of here every year, and sometimes that's it. There's a smart one in here, but I don't get. Yeah, that's basically how it goes. Anyway, but on the other hand, I've never set these bank dens over here either, so I might be pulling the sneak attack on them. This set over here looks, is it bad? Messed up? No. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it looks like, oh yeah, there's something going on here. That stick is all messed up for sure. This one here, I don't know what's going on. Something, nothing. Oh yeah, what we got going on here? We got something in here too. Ooh, oh, first 2 traps, we got 2 catches. This I can be happy about. Let's check it out. Well, I'm looking, this run's super shallow. Is it sprung with nothing in it? What? How's it even possible? Look at that. I went from being super excited to being really bummed out. How in the pajama did that happen? Where's my snake? Right there. Oh no. Man, total bummer, you guys. Stick, this set's all messed up. Like, twisted. There was definitely something in there that is probably never going to go back in there ever again. I don't see any hair. don't see any hair on the 330 at all. Man, that hit the guy right in the feels, you know what I'm saying? Hits anybody in the feels, a trapper in general. Just a trapper. Hurts. Hurts so bad. Should have been a catch, man. That 100% should have been a catch. There should have been no doubt that beaver was there. And it's not. Darn it. Well, I guess we'll go. We got something in this other trap over here, though. We'll go check that out. Sprung trap in the first one. Very disappointing. Second one we got something anyway, and we got a big beaver, so that's good. We got a big beaver for sure right here. Oh, there we go, coming in for this run. Who knows if that's, you know, the one I had in the other trap. Maybe I caught it coming in. Ugh. Oh. And it's a nice beaver. Healthy beaver too, might I add. Just really bummed out that other trap was sprung. There was definitely something in that trap. There was no hair in it, but something was caught in it, whether it was a foot or a toe or anything. That's the only bad thing about traps like the Victor or the Belial, or not the Belial, the Victor or the Dukes, you know. If you do happen to get a beaver by the front foot, those traps are not going to hold that beaver. They are not going to hold the beaver. The beaver will get out. If you have a Belial, though, it will catch him by the front foot and it'll hold him, and it would have been laying there, drowned. There we go. Okay. Well, hey, there's one big beaver anyway. That trap can kiss my butthole. One nice beaver anyway. That trap, I'm not happy with you. Well, we still got 3 bank dens to go check. So we're gonna go hopefully pull a beaver out of there. Rat huts, I forgot my traps today. We're supposed to get some nasty storm looking thing tonight, so. Well, first 2 bank dens, nothing. This one I got up here, I can see that the stick there is kind of been wiggled around, you could say. So, the stick's been wiggled around. That more than likely means that yeah, oh yeah. Gosh, I left my axe up in the vehicle. Oh darn it. How am I gonna get this critter out of here? This is gonna be interesting. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's another nice beaver. Got this guy coming in. Look at that. Another nice beaver. So we got 2 nice beaver out of here, which I'm pretty ecstatic about because I'm lucky if I get one nice beaver each year. Come on, here we go. Got that guy. Oh yeah, that's a nice beaver. Look at that. Nice kind of a dark brown color. And that guy, whether that's one of the ones that, like I said, the one that was in my other trap and got out, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna lose sleep over that one probably a little bit. Simple stuff. Shove that right back down in there like so. Get this right back in here like so. There we go. There we go. No complaining going on for me. 2 big beaver. Now I'm going to give, once again, I'm going to give you guys a generalization of big beaver. To me, a big beaver is a big beaver that is 2 years old or larger. If you hear me say giant beaver, then it's going to be, you know, a 50+ pounder usually, or definitely a blanket. Big beaver to me is something that is not, you know, like I said, 2-year-old to me is big beaver. So when you hear big beaver, this is what I mean. A couple of really nice sized beaver. Anyway, check number 1 down. We're supposed to get a snowstorm tonight and tomorrow. So I might, you know, if I don't check tomorrow, I'll check one more day and probably pull these traps. We'll see. Anyway, good days. Well, we're back to check today. We picked up 2 beaver here yesterday. Look at, see the wind, see all the dust and the snow, not dust, all this snow blowing across the lake out here. Yesterday it was 45, I don't know, it was way over, might have been 50, I don't know. It was hot out yesterday. Giant storm blew in. I don't know, hurricane, snowstorm, Santa Claus blew through last night or something. Like 6 degrees today, like minus a million degrees with the wind chill. Wind is blowing like crazy, you guys. I'm gonna go out and check some of these traps. I got a face mask on because I had to trim my beard way down because I have sleep apnea and my mask doesn't seal around my face unless I trim my beard down. Like, you need to know that anyway. But caught 2 big beaver here yesterday. I don't know what the wind's gonna do for my audio. Nothing I can do about it when it's this high. But I'm gonna go out and check these traps and hopefully pull a couple beaver. Or a beaver. Heck, I'd take a muskrat maybe even. Yeah, and then we'll be back. We'll let them set for a couple days and then come back and pull them. Well, pulled my mask down so you could hear. We're back at this big house. Yesterday we had a sprung trap right there. Right there. Today there's another sprung trap. I can see the stick is all twisted up and there's definitely a beaver in it. So we're gonna pull it out and take it out of the trap. Let's do it. Woo. So yesterday, this trap was kind of this whole set was kind of messed up. The stick was laying here. And the same thing today. The stick was laying sideways when I got here. But this time we did not miss the beaver. Hopefully a beaver anyway. Coming in, I think. I don't have my rubber gloves on, so this looks like a big beaver. Yeah, I think this is bigger than a 2-year-old. Oh yeah, we got a big blanket today, you guys. Big blanket. Woo! Big. Really big blanket today. Oh, right by the head coming into this run. There we go. Get you guys a better look at it. I'll back it up a little bit even. There we go. Nice big blanket beaver caught right by the head. The chances of that being the one we missed yesterday, I guess, are probably not that good. I mean, it could happen, but yeah. I'm gonna take them out. We're gonna dry them out real quick, okay? Well, there we go. Huge blanket beaver, you guys. Look at that. Beautiful fur on that beaver. So it's one huge blanket, a couple of big 2-year-olds out of this house. I'm gonna go check the rest of those bank dens over there. Reset this trap. Well, we're across the pond from that beaver house now. Got a bank den here. Got something in it. I must admit, I do not enjoy going through 2 feet of snow now. Check traps. Gloves, iced up. Axe, iced up. This beaver trapping stuff ain't easy when it gets late in the year. We're gonna pull that trap out, see what we got. It is just so bad out here, you guys. So ugly. Everything ugly, ugly, ugly. I'm literally digging down. Digging down, digging down, digging down. Looking for my wire. Looking for everything. Oh, there's my swivel stick. Right there. Okay. Here's my wire. Right here. Maybe we'll get the other big one right now. Oh yeah, it's a big beaver coming in. Woo! Freaking Mission Impossible, boys. Sorry if you can't hear me, but under the circumstances, I can't help it. Oh, big monster. Holy crap, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at the tail. Cut in half right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, we'll get in close here, guys. Another giant beaver. Giant beaver there. Giant beaver right there. I can honestly say that I think that we got both the big ones out of this run, or out of this lodge. That thing's huge. Freaking Tankzilla, boys. Well, I'm gonna get it out of the trap. Like I said, it's super cold and windy and everything else out. I'll give you a look at these guys here once I get them taken out. All right, I'm yelling because we got a blizzard coming in. 2 big beaver yesterday, 2 monsters today. These gotta be the 2 matriarchs. This one here's a freaking monster. This one is just about as big, but not quite. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm yelling about as loud as I can. But look at the fur. I almost stayed home today and said, you know what, I'll check these traps tomorrow. Talk about an awesome check, you guys. Well, I reset everything and hopefully, maybe on the last day, we'll catch another 2-year-old. We'll see you then. We're back for our final check on this beaver lodge here. I see a bunch of tracks going out there. Like, I don't know if somebody's fishing, if they were out checking out, maybe to set the beaver house. Hopefully they didn't steal my stuff. But This beaver house has been freaking insane. Like I said, normally I might get lucky and get a big beaver out of here. This year, Hammer City. 5 big beaver for sure, plus whatever I might pull out of this last check. I don't know if there's anything left. Like I said, I've caught 3 2-year-olds and 2 absolute monster, like probably 60-pounders. I mean, insane. You've seen them. Anyway, we're gonna go out and pull these bad boys. Well, pulled all the traps. We got a whole lot of nothing but traps frozen hard as a rock. Super cold out, man. Wind's blowing. It's chilly out. Those 5 big beaver. Maybe there's a small or a 2-year-old left in there. I don't know. Definitely got the 2 matriarchs. Those are massive beaver, you guys. And the 3 2-year-olds. Anyway, I'm extremely happy with that place. A lot of big beaver. Exciting stuff. Ups and downs, especially after missing that beaver the first day or getting out. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this cold weather stuff. Peace.